Stop waiting. Stop scrolling. Stop telling yourself tomorrow. You don't need 7 days, 21 days, or even 90 to change your life. You need 1 day, one single decision, one honest confrontation with yourself. Because here's the truth nobody tells you. It's not about time. It's about truth. Today, I'm going to give you a 24-hour system to reset your mind, your energy, your direction. This isn't motivation. This is a mental war. And today you win. Step 1. Cut the noise. Pick a single day. Turn off your phone. Forget social media. No scrolling, no texting, no distractions. Just you and your mind. Most people aren't broken. They're overstimulated. Their brains are drowning in noise. The fastest way to clarity? Go silent. Face your thoughts. If you can't spend a single day alone with yourself, you're not avoiding boredom. You're avoiding the truth. And that truth, it will burn you awake. Step 2, the mirror ritual. Stand in front of a mirror. No music, no affirmations, just 5 minutes of stillness. Ask yourself, who am I pretending to be? And don't lie. Feel the sting in your chest. That's your real self waking up, shaking off the mask you've been wearing for the world. This is the day you stop performing. This is the day you get honest. Step 3, destroy to rebuild. Grab a notebook. Write down the habits killing your potential, the places draining your power, the lies you tell to fit in. And now destroy it. Tear it. Burn it. Shred it. Writing creates awareness. Destroying it sends a message to your subconscious. The old you dies today. That version of you is gone. Step 4, the warrior hour. Set a timer for 60 minutes. Split it. 20 minutes. Push your body. Run. Do push-ups. Take a cold shower. Just push. 20 minutes. Dump your mind. Write everything. No filter. No rules. Let the chaos pour out. 20 minutes. Sit in silence. No phone. No music. Just breathe. Exist. Feel yourself. Do this, and something shifts. Control. Power. Presence. You'll feel like a warrior waking up inside yourself. Step 5, the 9 p.m. rule. At 9 p.m., stand in front of the mirror again. No questioning. No judgment. Say this. Thank you for showing up. Not perfection. Not progress. Just presence. Because most people never show up for themselves. A single day of full intensity. Facing yourself without hiding, that is rare. That is power. You're not broken. You're buried under comfort, fear, and noise. One honest, intense day can reset your entire trajectory. Not because you become someone new, but because you finally stop pretending. So stop scrolling. Stop waiting. Fix yourself today. Take 1 day. Take 1 decision. Take 1 honest confrontation. And if you want daily mindset boost to stay on fire, join my Telegram. Links are below.